Are you thinking about retiring to a 55 plus community or active adult community? What are the pros and cons of living in a 55 plus or active adult community? Stay tuned, you've come to the right place. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Meral Ibrahim, broker associate with Coldwell Banker Realty in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. I create videos about life in the Palm Beaches, communities, and a little real estate, and also 55 plus communities. After all, Florida is one of the leading states for people to retire in. I release a video every Friday, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel. This way you won't miss any of my videos with new and fresh content. Before I start on my topic, leave a comment below and let me know if you're thinking about moving into a 55 plus community or active adult community. Active adult communities are communities that offer relatively maintenance-free independent living residences to those aged 55 and over. These communities are designed with a retirement-friendly, low-maintenance lifestyle in mind. These communities can be comprised of single-family homes as well as patio homes, condominiums, and townhomes. Often they will be built near shopping, restaurants, parks, and other attractions, since residents are still eager to live an active lifestyle into their retirement. So let's talk about the pros of living in a 55 plus community. Amenities. One of the most important benefits of living in an active adult community is that it will provide you with many ways to get exercise, socialize, and stay active and lively into your retirement years. So expect pools and fitness centers, and many have or are near golf courses, tennis courts, and walking and biking trails. You will also find opportunities for socializing through events, clubs, and volunteer groups. Communities in the Palm Beaches close to lakes offer canoeing, kayaking, and some of the larger communities have golf courses. Another pro is less maintenance. If you're tired of lawn maintenance, painting and exterior upkeep, low or no maintenance living may be appealing. There's no more mowing or snow blowing. This is probably on top of most people's mind when considering an active adult community. Many are downsizing from the home they raised a family in, and the smaller interior square footage to keep clean is attractive as well. Another pro is a quiet environment. In an active adult community, your neighbors are your peers, so you're at similar stages in life with similar interests. Children and grandchildren are welcome to visit, but for the most part, these communities are relatively quiet and retirement friendly. Younger visitors are usually encouraged to be considerate of this expectation. Another pro is social connections. When you move to a new place, the concern is, how will I make new friends? Well, in an active adult community, residents are all pretty much in the same stage of life, having worked hard for many years, raised a family, and now looking to enjoy a relaxed retirement. So it is easy to meet people that you have much in common with and developing wonderful relationships with them. And these friendships come with their own set of benefits, like having someone to look after your home and pets when you're out of town. The social calendars in these active adult communities are usually chock full of events, activities, field trips. Many communities have a lifestyle director who manages the social calendar and can help you discover appealing activities. So as you can see, it's very easy to surround yourself with new friends. No need for anyone to feel isolated in their retirement when you live in this type of community. Let me talk about another pro, the convenience of living in an active adult community. You get a support system that can meet such needs as needing a referral for a contractor or handy person, doctors, home cleaning service, and help with other daily activities. These service providers have often been vetted by other residents, so there is a feeling of security when it comes to letting a stranger into your home. Another pro is you have so many floor plans to choose from, and you can choose between new construction or an existing home. The common denominator in active adult community home styles is that the homes are single story because they are designed to make living in them easy by reducing any risks with stair climbing, but at the same time you get a very livable square footage with an open layout that feels like a larger home. The developers of these communities also take into consideration the close proximity to medical facilities, shopping centers, airports, and other amenities. Now let's talk about the cons of living in a 55+ community. The fees can be high. They are about the same as purchasing a house in any planned community, but it does come with a comprehensive plan to help maintain your home, such as yard maintenance. Some include water and cable, pressure cleaning, and exterior painting and security. The lack of age diversity comes with the age restriction of at least 55 years of age, and this lack of age diversity may not appeal to everyone. The homes are designed for 2 adults to live in comfortably, and so the homes tend to be smaller than homes in a standard community. Though the floor plans offer ample space for entertaining, it can pose a challenge for a large number of guests. It needs to be noted that these 55+ communities do not provide assisted living or healthcare services as part of your monthly homeowners association fee, and there are no on-site healthcare facilities. So basically, these communities would fall under the category of aging at home with the option to arrange for in-home care. Now, I know I mentioned that the homeowners association fees can be high in these 55+ communities. I do want to give you a range for these fees in 55+ communities in the Palm Beaches. They range from about $400 to $600 per month, and the range is based on the size of the home, the amenities offered, the age of the community, and location. In the Palm Beaches, there is no shortage of 55+ communities to choose from. Just take a look at this map showing the clusters of 55+ communities throughout the Palm Beaches. So is an active adult community right for you? If 55+ communities or active adult living sounds like something you want to look into, you can leave a comment below and let me know, or call or text me. If you liked this video, check out this one. And consider subscribing to this channel if you want to find out more about living in the Palm Beaches, communities, and some real estate. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time. Bye.